Hi class, it's Amanda, and this is going to be my citation review. The first one that I'm going to do is the Tennessee State case from the Supreme Court of Tennessee. And the one I chose is State v. Watkins. So that will be my case title. And then after the title, you need a comma. And the title is always underlined. Then we put a space and 362, which is the volume number. Now we need to know which reporter it's in. This one is in the Southwestern Reporter, S.W. The third edition, so 3D, no spaces there. Then you're going to do a space, enter the page number, which this one is on page 530. And then in parentheses, we're going to put Tennessee year 2012, that Tennessee is the jurisdiction, 2012 is the year the case was decided. On the Sixth Circuit case, I am going to do Watson versus McCabe. So that will be my underlined case title. And also a comma after that one. And then we're going to do a space. And we're going to have the volume, which is volume 527. And this particular case is found in the Federal Reporter, second edition. It is on page 286. And this was decided in the year 1975. Okay, and for the Tennessee statute, my jurisdiction is going to go first. Oop, we need that underlined, which is the Tennessee Code Annotated. And that's underlined just like all the titles are. And here we are going to insert the section symbol. My computer didn't have a shortcut for it, so I had to find it in the symbols and then make a shortcut for it. So I just made mine Control-0 so I could remember it easily. And then we'll have a space after that. And 28 is going to be the title. Remember that for Tennessee statutes, there are no volume numbers. That first number is the title. And then we're going to have a dash. And 3 is the chapter. Then we have section 104. The first number will tell us what part it is in. So it'll be part 100, section 104. Then we'll do another space. And in parentheses, we're going to put 2017 because that is the year this particular statute was published, not the year it was passed.